All right, so here are my 4 points. So these two make up line UV. These two make up line XY. So let's get the slopes. So start off with the slope of UV. So it's a change in Y, it's -1 minus 2, divided by the change in X, -1 minus 0. Does it matter what order I do them in? No, as long as I'm consistent. So I can also do 2 minus -1 and 0 minus -1. I'll get the same answer. So -3 over -1, which is a +3. So now let's compare the other slope. Slope of xy. So y's first. 3 minus 1 over. Now I do the x's. -3 minus 3. So that gives me 3 minus 1 is 2. -3 minus 3, -6. Let's reduce the fraction. -1/3. Now the question was, do they intersect? Yeah. Yeah, not only they intersect, they're also perpendicular. So I can first say they intersect, for sure, because the slopes are not equal. If they were equal slopes, they'd be parallel. They would not intersect. Second of all, I can say they're perpendicular. Let's see in there, perpendicular, because the slopes are negative reciprocals. And so for these problems where they say, what kind of lines am I looking at? What you have to ask yourself is, well, what are the slopes and how do they compare? And then you can go from there. So it's mostly just chunking through the arithmetic and the algebra to get those numbers out that you can then look at. The other thing to mention is often we'll save you guys the headache of doing the work. Well, one of the things you're expected to be able to do is if I tell you slopes are 3 and -1/3, you can interpret that without having to do the work first. You say, okay, yes, that fits negative reciprocals, they're perpendicular. Oh, nope, those are the same, they're parallel. Oh, they're just there. That means they're just intersecting. Questions, comments? Okay. Let's take a look at another one.